last time? Well, we'll find it out later. All right, guys, listen up. Remain seated where you are at. Keep your arms, legs, hands, and feet side above all times. Hold on to those small children. We are raised two. I raised two. I'm not raising more. Okay, guys, no more musical chairs. Here we go. We are clear.
Hey, Princess, I need you sitting on your back pockets, not on the knees, okay? Yeah, there we go.
And we are clear again. Okay, friends, take me a favor. Take that favorite hand of yours. Wait to invite all the beautiful people on the dock. All right, be fair. Be fair. Wait till the ugly ones, too. Come on now. Let's be fair. Morning, friends. Welcome to the Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Dave. For the next 3 weeks, I'll be your skipper, your guide, your guidance counselor, your marriage counselor, if required, your dance instructor, your golf instructor. If you don't laugh at the jokes, perhaps your swimming instructor also. Welcome to the Amazon, friends. We're raised 365 days a year. You know, there's some years that raise every single day. I want you to check out the beautiful Amazon butterflies on both sides of the boat. They measure 12 inches up to a whopping 1 foot. That makes them, of course, the rulers of the jungle. Because they're the monarchs, after all. Hey, speaking of rain, hey, we might have missed it for the moment. This is Inspiration Falls, friends. We call it that because it inspires normal people like you to go deep into the jungle. I want you all to look. I want you all to say, ooh. I want you all to say, ah. I want you all to say, Skipper Dave, you're doing a great job. We call that fishing for a compliment. Thank you for your cooperation. Welcome to the Congo, friends. Let's see how far we can go. All right, guys, I'm going to share a secret with you. I'm going to show you where they got the idea for that classic Disney movie. Right to your left, that is the Jungle Book. Right there, guys. Notice that's the box collection also. Straight ahead here, friends, that's most Baits and Bites, the place the skippers like to hang out. And we do rentals here. For example, if you want to rent your canoe, yeah, you can get your paddles in standard or deluxe. Because after all, it is either or. Here's our 24-foot long python snake. Very likable. Do not get into a relationship with them. They can be very constricting, very smothering. In fact, they may develop a very big crush on you. All right, guys. Uh-oh. What's going on here at Surveyor Camp here? There's something going on here. Uh-oh. Looks like the grills have taken over. Yeah, not a pretty picture, but they did us a big favor. I got that sheet to turn over. I'm one of the best that they use their monkey wrenches to make that happen. Welcome to the world's longest river, friends. This river goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you must be in. It's a good answer, but you're actually in the boat. But it's still a good answer. Over here, guys, this is our African bull elephant. That is the most feared animal in the jungle. Of all the animals that we have, that is the most feared. Listen, he'll brag about it here in a second. Yeah, not only the most feared, he's also the very, very best at tooting his own horn. Straight ahead is the world-famous sandstone formation. Unfortunately, many people take this for granted. I believe this is one of our bolder attractions, but that's just my sentiment. Either way, I think you have to agree. It really does rock. Welcome to the African Gulf, friends. I want to point out all the animals. Ready? Here we go. It's all right there, guys. In fact, if you look way in the back, you're going to see some old-fashioned horses. Yeah, they're still in black and white. And we had a group of lions checking our zebra friend here. He's been taking a long nap here today. In fact, he looks like he's so tired he may be dead. Tired? We're going to let him rest in peace. And over here, friends, on the bottom of that human totem pole, that is Skipper Felix. Yeah, this is Skipper Felix's first name. We didn't think it's going to be his last name. Told Skipper Felix, always keep your crew in the boat. Never leave them outside the boat. I think he finally got the point in the end. Over here, right-hand side, friends, say hi to two of our favorite animals in the jungle. Say hi to Fred and Ginger. But you got to be very, very careful with Ginger because Ginger snaps. She, after all, is one tough cookie. Straight ahead, friends. Beautiful Schweitzer Falls, actually named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company. Yeah, Dr. Albert Falls. A little bit of a waterfall show for the show. We can go ahead and go to that later. People always asking, Skipper Dave, how did you land your job at the Jungle Pool? It was very plain to see. I took a crash course, so I have to wave around. Ever since that time, my crew hasn't taken off. Boy, so I can have to wing it, but that is the tail end of that story. All right, everybody, buckle yourselves in here. This is a dangerous part of our tour. Welcome to the hippo pool. You're going to see hippos on both sides of the boat. And if you run some marbles with you, because I lost mine a long time ago, we can play a quick game of hungry, hungry hippo. Uh-oh, looks like the hippos are trying to charge the boat on both sides. But that's okay, because at the Jungle Cruise, yeah, we only accept cash. So I want you to all be reassured, Jungle Cruise, we do not monkey around. No. We don't monkey around at all. Matter of fact, these are all chimpanzees over here. Problem is, yeah, they've gone bananas. I'm not finding that very appealing. I think we'd rather split. Yeah, when it goes to banana jokes, yeah, we've got a bunch. Over here, friends, up in that box ahead of my favorite crew in the jungle, that is Annette. Yeah, say hi to Annette. Yeah, she's quite a catch. Also, check out those beautiful butterflies. They just aren't what they used to be. Yeah, they all used to be caterpillars. All right, guys, straight ahead, one of the highlights of our tour. Get out those cameras. Get out those phones. You're about to experience what we like to call the eighth wonder of the world. We present to you, come on, the only, the backside of water. Everybody join me. O2H. That's a chemistry joke we tell. Periodically. Welcome to the Mekong River, friends. If you look straight ahead, you're going to see a Cambodian shrine. Rumor has it was made by a bunch of Cambodian Shriners. I also want to point out the statue of Shirley. That means, of course, we're up there Shirley's temple. Hi, guys. Gotta be honest with you, this is where I get scared. I get nervous. I'm going to sit down right here and close my eyes. I need you guys to keep your eyes open, especially you two right here. Keep those eyes open. See if we can make it through this temple together. No, we're not going to spray the boat. They didn't sign up for a water ride. It's still a little early in the morning. Same with you around the corner. Keep it down, keep it down. No, put it down, keep it down. Well, you know what? You're past me. They do a little bit. They're getting a little warm. Go ahead, let it go. You know, friends, people keep asking me, Skipper, name, is that water coming out of those trucks? Nah, it's not. Alright guys, well, believe it or not, our 3-week tour is winding down already. It feels like it's only been about 10 or 12 minutes. And the sad news is, friends, we'll be taking you back to civilization here very, very shortly. Most dangerous part of our tour. Hey, but we'll want to stop at any Disney attraction be. We'll want to stop at the gift shop at the very end. And here's our version right here, friends. This is Trader Sam's Lost and Found and Gift Shop. So if you've lost something recently, Sam may have it here for you. So besides inventory, check out the helpers. We got some small monkeys. We got a small elephant. And we don't do photo pass out here, friends. We do monkey pass. Make sure you sponsor a monkey friend right there. He's actually a very, very helpful monkey. And he does this for free. All he's looking for is just a little exposure. All right, friends, remain seated. Keep those arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the boat at all times. Please continue to hold on to those small children. You've all been an outstanding crew today, and all of us on behalf of all of the Jungle Cruise, we appreciate that very, very much. But in a moment, we'll be asking you all to please be outstanding on that dock. you to know, in all sincerity, of all the many jungle cruises I have given in my career, you all make my most recent. I'm going to give you guys the same words of advice I gave both of my kids when they turned 18, and then again when they turned 23. Those words of advice were, kids, the free ride is now over. It is time to gather up all of those personal belongings, because at this time we need you to get out. Everybody please stand up. Exit the same row you come out. Thank you guys. Exit the same row you come out.